back completely against the seat with your head all the way back against the headrest and wait for the safety restraint to be lowered. If you require any assistance, please signal a ride attendant now.
Your restraints will be coming down in 3, 2, 1.
For those of you about to ride Air Race, please rest your head back against the headrest and hold on to the safety restraint handles. Enjoy your ride. Welcome back. Once your safety restraints have been released, please walk. Do not run to the exit. Thank you for riding Air Race and enjoy the rest of your day at Lagoon.
Wait!